So I wanted to show you guys, this is the facade of the house. So you have a lot of car space right here. Right here you could park at least 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Then you have all right here, and you have a long driveway right here that leads to a 2-car garage and a carport. So there's plenty of space to entertain. So this is an amazing house. Let us know if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Let me go to my woman. So what do you think, Carsa?
I mean, I love the layout.
Don't stop dreaming, 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 don't stop dreaming.
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm taking you guys to see a 6-bedroom, 6 full bath and a half a bath. This home is in Cocoa Plum Heights, all the way in the suburbs of Coral Gables. So this is a big one. It's about 7,000 square footage. Beautiful outdoor living on an acre. I think it's an acre and a half.
Almost an acre.
Almost an acre lot. It has how many wine cellars? How many?
Actually, it has a 320 bottle wine display. That's a lot of wine. You know, and the house is set up in a way that for you to really entertain, which we'll show you guys. The way it is outside, you could literally entertain a bunch of people. It's an amazing
party
house.
It's a party house, basically, and this home is 7.8. So I'm going to take you guys inside and show you what you get for 7.8 in the suburbs of Coral Gables. So if you're a fan of Coral Gables, you're absolutely going to love this one. So high ceiling, it's great. So let's go inside.
Actually, guess where we are, guys? We're going to pull in, but let me just show you guys. That's the house right there.
You cannot see it.
You can't see it, but we'll take you in there. The property is sitting on 1 acre of land. This is the pool area, and this is the hot tub. This is the main house back here. One of the great touch, this could be a mother-in-law suite. As you enter here, this is complete. You have a kitchenette right here, and then you have this large room that could be converted to a bedroom or studio, and it's supported by its own bathroom. So it's away from the house. So when your mother-in-law comes in town, or you know your people come in town, they don't necessarily have to be part of the house. They could stay right here. So this area could be also your this area could be where if you want to entertain outside, your guests could sit right here overlooking the pool, which is I think here you could also accommodate 20 to 30 guests. You have enough parking, and as you enter the property, you get the dining room here, and you have the Florida room overlooking the backyard. Okay, so this is a grand master case that leads to the 2nd floor, and the 2nd floor house the master, needless to ask. Come up the grand staircase, you are greeted by a double door here, which takes you outside overlooking the entrance to your property. So if you're really entertaining and you wanted to make a statement, you could have all your guests sitting here. You could come out and welcome them. And then the next thing you see is your first bedroom, which is a gratuitous sized bedroom, walk-in closet, plenty of room for your clothes, and then here's the bathroom for the first bedroom. The amazing selling point of this particular property is what?
This balcony, this oversized balcony, which is about 500 square feet of living outside. This is beautiful. I love the tile work. Look, check that out.
Yes. It's an amazing stuff. So anyway, this balcony is from the master. You have impact windows, obviously, on a house like this. So the master is massive. You have a tub in there, standing shower. You have his and her sink, water closet, and what am I missing? The
Second walk-in closet.
yes.
There's another one here. I don't know if you saw it.
Yes, so there was, so you have a lot of closets. So there's a closet right here, you know, which what I like about this is they're separated, which I really like. Because sometimes in a relationship, you know, it behooves you to be separated from time to time. So this is a master gray chandelier. It looks like, you know, a chandelier from Italy. I like the glass work. It could be Verano glass, who knows? But nonetheless, it's really nice. The touch on this property you're going to love is, you see those little windows? It leads to a family room. The family room is really massive. And I like the whole idea of the slanted of the roof line. Recessed lighting. And that leads where?
Two more bedrooms.
To 2 more bedrooms. So literally on the second floor, you have 4 bedrooms. Of the family room is are the 2 bedrooms. So this is one of the 2 bedrooms. Have amazing view, walk-in closet, have great bathrooms, standing shower, amazing view of the property. And then from this bedroom, there's the other bedroom, which is gonna make it the 4th bedroom throughout the whole property. So this staircase is another staircase that leads to the kitchen. So the whole idea behind this, if you're in the kitchen, you're entertaining, you don't have to walk throughout the whole house. You could just come up here and then retire for the night, which is a great touch. And this is the 4th and final bedroom on the 2nd floor. All these bedrooms are at least 14, 16 by 16, 20 by 20, they're big. Earlier, so this is the staircase that leads to the kitchen, like I said. But on your way downstairs, you have a great pantry, storage space. I don't need to go in. It's big. It's, oh my gosh, it is. OMG, this is really big.
It's a hideaway.
Oh wow.
For the kids.
This could be a safe room for you. If you could reinforce the door, and this could be a safe room in case of an emergency. You could hide out in there. So this is the kitchen. Amazing marble top. You have Wolf appliances, I'm sorry. And then you have a little breakfast nook right here. Your sink. Actually, you have double sink. You have one sink here. This is another great touch. Normally, you only see one faucet. This has dual faucets and dual sink. You have your Sub-Zero fridge right here. And then you have those amazing pantries.
For the small appliances?
Yes. And look at the mechanism to the door. This is really a great design. It actually pivot instead of opening the door. You like that touch?
Absolutely.
Okay. And then here we're gonna go to the Grand Salon. In case you have a great wine collection, this is the place to actually display them. Although it's not refrigerated, but it gives you room to actually display, I think here, hundreds of bottles. I don't have the precise count, but it could hold hundreds of bottles. And then you also have your wine coolers there also in case you wanna chill them. Again, from the Florida room, those doors are telescopic doors, which means they open to the outside, so they bring the backyard to the inside. One of the amazing thing is, off the Florida room, you have your dining room here, which can also see the backyard. And then you have some bathrooms here. And then this was the entrance that we came in. That's the Grandmaster staircase. And this is the living area. And then right here should be another sitting area So, which is an amazing touch. And then one last touch to the house is this, if you have guests that come in here, you have an office on the first floor, right close to the entrance. So that allows your guests to come in, conduct business, and be out without coming to the whole house. Okay? And then of course this in the back is considered as one of the 6 bedrooms.